The Senate is confident that the 2026 national budget will still be passed. If a reenacted 2025 budget becomes necessary, the delay is expected to last only a few days and will not extend to a month or year. Luisa Erispe tells us more.
The Senate believes the 2026 national budget can still be passed and the 2025 budget will not be completely reenacted. According to Senate President Vicente Sotto III, for Congress, the discussions on the proposed funding are finished. Even if not yet ratified, the ball is now with the President and Malacanang on whether the proposed budget will be signed.
Tapos na tapos na as far as the GAB is concerned, as far as both houses are concerned. Tapos na nasa kamay na ng Pangulo ngayon yan. Kung madelay man sila, ilang araw lang.
Senate President Sotto further insists if there will be a reenacted budget, it will only be for a few days, but it will not last for months or even an entire year.
Pwede mong masabing nagkaroon ng reenacted budget for 2 days, 3 days, 5 days. Noong panahon nga namin nila President Duterte, 3 months nga yung reenacted Di ba? Pero hindi naman katulad ng ibang nangyari noong una buong taon. Hindi mangyayari ngayon yun. Ito, matter of days.
Even if the ratification is on December 29, Malacanang already has a copy of the proposed budget, which they can review and study. The open BICAM is also a big help to the executive and to monitor the progress of the budget and to scrutinize it quickly. The signing was only delayed due to the printing of the General Appropriations Bill, because instead of a summary, an enrolled bill will be ratified by Congress.
Naka-website kami. Lahat ng laman ng budget nandun sa website. Namomonitor ng Malacanang yan. Sa BICAM naman, kung tutusin, ilang departamento lang naman yung nagalaw pa uli Di ba? Na ninusog dito, inusog dyan. Pero do within the departments, walang kangay biglang bago. So, gusto ko, enrolled copy ang raratify namin. Enrolled copy, ibig sabihin nun, it's ready for the eyes of the President itself. Ngayon, sabihin, everything magre-review pa President. Hindi nga, nasa website na nga Lahat yan nangyayaring yan, nakikita na ng Malacanang yan.
The Senate believes this should be the practice of Congress in discussing proposed budgets in the coming years. Open BICAM or open to the public and with no more insertions. Luisa Erispe from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.